Welcome. In front of me is a Partner PS2, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache on the device. So to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key, which is located right here, and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, we'll then hold power key and volume up. So now that it's off, hold power key, volume up, both keys at the same time. And once you see the logo, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you'll use volume keys to navigate up and down respectively with the key, and power key will be used to confirm the selection. And you want to select wipe cache partition. So it's right here. And once it's selected, all you need to do is just press power key. On the bottom, you'll quickly see cache wipe complete as the last entry, and back in the recovery mode, you will have reboot system now selected by default. So all you really need to do now is press power key once more, and the device will boot back up into the Android system. And you can see that we're back in the Android. So that is how you would enter the recovery mode, and from there perform a wipe cache. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.